guys, welcome back again to my channel Cute AASHI and this is AASHI. So guys, please stay at your home and stay safe. चाहे वो कोई भी फेस्टिवल हो, अच्छे से सेफ तरीके से रहो. Okay guys, so आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ this cute रक्षाबंधन लुक जो कि गर्ल्स कर सकती हैं रक्षाबंधन के लिए. And the best part of this makeup is you have to only use 4 products. Yes guys, 4 products में चाहे आपके पास कितने भी कम products हो, आप कुछ ना कुछ करके you can look pretty and you can look good. So first product we will use this moisturizer. Moisturizer सबके पास होता है, ठीक है. Moisturizer you can any of the lipstick जो भी आपके पास lipstick होगी. Then I'm using highlighter. तो shimmer है ये, अगर आपके पास कोई powder shimmer you can also use that. And my favorite mascara. If you have kajal then you can also apply kajal. If you have eyeliner then you can apply. अगर नहीं लगाना चाहते you can skip it. अपने accordingly how the product is available at your home, like that you can use it. Okay guys, so for this makeup how to create it, and so how to create this makeup look if you are interested to see. So without any bakwas, let's get started with the video. So we will start with the moisturizer. I'm using Joyous moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer which you have. So just take 2 pumps of the moisturizer and apply it on your face. So don't forget to apply on your neck also. If you have any black spots in your face, then you can use foundation. I don't have it, so I'm not going to use any foundation or something. This will only be my base. So if you have chubby cheeks like me, so you can do contour it. So the main highlight of these are lipstick on my video right now. So that is why I'm taking this Lakme lipstick, and this contains the brownish shade. So if you have any lipstick like a brownish shade, just grab it and use as a contour. So just make your jawline and contour it according to your cheeks. So I have this jawline. So now we will blend this with a sponge or beauty blender. So now after blending both the chins, you can see a little bit different. So now I'm gonna go in my downwards jawline, and I don't have that much thin jawline, but still it will give you a sharp shape on your face, so that will look more nice and attractive to see. And then now we will contour our nose. Like this. Give a shape, like a sharp shape for your nose, so that it looks thin. If you have thin nose like mine. So using this stick, I did something like this. If you can see different. Okay, now we will move to the further process, that is our blush. So many of the girls like to use blush like I am, but it's in a highlight we have to use lipsticks, right? In an option we are having lipsticks. So I have this lot of lipstick, and like I have this pink shade matching on my top, and I have this orange shade, and I have this pure red shade, like dark red shade in a matte. Then I have this light pink shade. Then I have this peachy shade. So I have like a lot of shades, and I'm a little bit confused to apply which of them on my cheeks. I'm gonna use this stick for my cheeks. So I'm gonna apply a little bit. Really a little bit on your cheeks, like cheeks you will like that much of redness, so I will not put that much. If you like that much of redness, you can put a lot also. So now just blend this. So I've applied on my cheeks. Now it's looking a little bit of reddish, and that's okay. So now we will go move to the nose, and I really like to apply some blush on my nose too. So here I'm applying a little bit of. So we are done with our face base makeup look and also the blush look. So now we will move to our eye makeup. I'm going to use any kind of eyeshadow palette for my eye makeup. But you guys must thinking that she will again use this lipsticks for my makeup. But no, if I'm having options in 4, then I've also included my highlighter, which I love this. So I have this Glam and Glow highlighter. So let's apply this on our face. So this will give me highlight of my face and my eyeshadow too. So this is 2 in 1. You can just use it, and this is called shimmer, right? So having liquid shimmer, which you can also apply on your face. Apply a really little bit. I'm going to apply this much. Can you see it? And now I'm going to blend with. You can blend with any. You can see my eye makeup look. कैसा लग रहा है? बस मैंने हल्का सा लिया and I'm done with this my eye makeup look. So now हम लोग highlight करेंगे अपने inner corner because मुझे अपने eye के inner corner को highlight करना बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. So again in my tools of brush I'll take a little bit of highlighter. So something like this. I'm not a kajal person, so that is why I'm not going to use any type of kajal or something. I really like mascara, so I'm a mascara person. I don't want to like kajal to apply kajal or eyeliner because मेरी आँखें already इतनी छोटी है. Then I will apply eyeshadow, mascara, eyeliner और भी ज़्यादा छोटी लगेगी. तो मुझे मैं eyeliner और mascara और काजल को अवॉइड कर रही हूँ. अगर आप चाहते हो अच्छे लगाना तो आप लगा सकते हो बिकॉज काजल तो सबके पास होता है. सो दैट इज अ नॉर्मल थिंग. सो नाउ वी विल अप्लाई मस्कारा. सो आई रियली लव अप्लाइंग मस्कारा. दिस इज माय फेवरेट पार्ट. लाइन बिकॉज अगर आप लोग को अच्छा लगता है काजल लगाना, सो इफ यू हैविंग नॉट काजल अवेलेबल एट योर होम देन यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज मस्कारा एट योर फोटो लाइन. यूज रियली लिटिल बिट ऑफ. So that's how after applying mascara I look like. And so अभी जिस mascara की टूल से आपने अपने eyelashes को enhance किया था, अब इसको आपको वापस mascara में dip नहीं करना है. इसी को लेके हम लोग अपने brows को set करेंगे. So हो गया ना बहुत सारा काम इसके साथ. And yeah, just आपको हल्का कर लेना है and एकदम dark, एकदम आपको जिस तरीके से चाहिए आपका brow. So my brows is also set. This part is my favorite, like the favorite part to apply highlighter. So you guys know कि highlighter कहाँ लगाते हैं. वहाँ पे मैं हल्के हल्के drop लेके and I blend my highlighter with beauty blender or whatever you like to, or whatever you are comfortable to apply. Please don't apply too much, then you look like a disco ball. Like disco ball is shimmering. Don't apply like that. हल्का हल्का लगाओ, बहुत ज़्यादा natural सा look आएगा. So after this, the last step is, but not the least. So the last step is to apply lipstick, and I'm not that much of a fan of lipstick, so I will apply 2-3 shades mix. Like I'll apply this peachy, then I will mix this orange shade, then I will mix this pink, and you हल्का सा शेड आ रहा है ना. नाउ वी विल अप्लाई दिस ऑरेंज शेड. नाउ जस्ट ब्लेंड इट लाइक दिस. इन तीनों लिपस्टिक को कंबाइन करके हमने इतना सारा शेड सा बना लिया है. दैट विल बी रियली नाइस. सो दिस इज ओनली माई मेकअप लुक. एंड अरे मैं एक लास्ट स्टेप भूल गई गाइस. अगर आप लोग को अपने आईब्रो को हाईलाइट करना पसंद है तो जब आप अपने हाईलाइट करते हो अपने इनर कॉर्नर आईज के, तभी ये स्टेप करना. आई फॉरगॉट. हल्का हल्का hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel then please subscribe and don't forget to press that bell icon. Please share this video with your friend, with your sister, so that she can also look gorgeous in this festival. And wait, you will also watch my Raksha Bhandan more videos. So yeah, and I'll keep you updated till